Did you know that you can order boba from TikTok Shop? When I got this, I was insanely hesitant, okay? But this is their variety pack from FS Simple Boba. It comes with 3 different boba drinks, okay? But listen, the other one that it comes with, I drink all of already. There's not even one to make a review on because they were that good, I couldn't help myself. Now, this one is a mango fruit drink, and then this one is a tea. This is a cold brew green tea. The other one that I had was a black tea. It was so bomb. But I saved these for like an actual review, okay? I just had to try the other one, then once I started, I couldn't stop. It does come with boba straws as well, which I thought was awesome because not everyone has a boba straw, okay? The teas itself is like very flavorful. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first had it, I was very iffy about it because the texture of the boba is different from any of the other kind that I've had. But keep in mind, I've only had popping and tapioca. This is crystal boba. So instead of it being like chewy or popping, it's just like a more almost like hard jelly-like texture. But the flavors of the tea are so freaking good. Like, it literally is nutty. It says green tea, sweet, nutty, and roasted. 100% tastes nutty. But it also has that very strong, like, green tea flavor, which I absolutely love green tea. This one is the mango. I am very excited about this. So it's mango juice, I believe. And it's supposed to be light and sweet. And this one looks like it has more boba. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. You can tell that it's definitely made out of, like, yeah, I was about to say mango puree rather than just like mango juice or anything. It's definitely very mango forward. So if you love boba and you love tea-based boba, this is something that I would totally recommend because these are so freaking flavorful. Like, if you like green tea and you like black tea, that black tea one was so bomb. I'm a little upset that I drank it all and I couldn't show y'all, but like, take my word for it, it is bomb. And they are right here in the TikTok Shop. It's a small business and their stuff is good. Very good. So if you have been wanting to try boba, crystal boba specifically, which I've never tried before, definitely give them a look. You could have coupons that'll make it even cheaper. But yeah, highly recommend.